All right, and we're back. All right, this is just a quick unboxing and a quick update. All right, unboxing wise, if you have Amazon, you know they just had Prime Day. And as you know, I'm trying to remove as much Willie G crap as I can. So they actually had these on sale. They ended up being half price. And they're front axle caps. You know, I had the Willie G's on the front that the guy that previously owned the bike had put on. So, all right, right there. Yep, better if I get the camera on there. There you go. All right, so they're Willie G's, and I just want to replace them with a plain black cap. These things were pretty highly rated on there, so we'll see once the time comes how well they work. Hopefully they'll fit right on. If not, they'll get returned back to Amazon. All right, and the update is, sorry I haven't been doing any videos, but as you know, the majority of the country has been under extreme heat. And here in New Jersey, we've been suffering with 96, 97, 98. Humidity levels up around 80%. And that is just a little too hot for me to work in my garage. It's just a little too stifling, I guess I want to say, because inside the garage here, the cinder block with the black rolled rubber roof, it ends up getting over 100 degrees in here. And that's just a little too hot for me to do any work. So as you can see, my hand guards are still hanging, no runs. I mean, they come out beautiful. You know, again, like the fairing, the color match is spot on. So hopefully, according to the so-called weather people in this area, it's going to be cooling off. It's a little cooler today, which is great, but it's going to be cooling off even more. Next week, I think they said, with lower humidity levels, which in that case means I can get back in the garage here and do what I want to do. I want to do the hand guards. I want to do the mirrors. I have a set of highway pegs for this. I'm not sure if they're going to work. I bought the long ones, and unfortunately, I may need the short ones for this because the long ones may be a little too long. I was thinking along the lines of my Street Glide when I ordered long ones, because I had to have the long ones for that, but the distance is longer on the Street Glide than it is on the Sport Glide. So we'll see. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. But I have that to do. I still got to put the backrest on the Tour Pack. I'm going to mount that, my idea for that, and get that done. Another thing I have to do is I have the new air shocks, the air ride shocks for the Street Glide. Okay, I got the bike in 16. I put the air ride on in January of 17. It's a J&R designed. I guess kind of when they first started doing it. So I think the shocks have equalized inside, because it takes a lot more air now to get a comfortable ride. There's no oil leaking out. That's why I say I think it equalized within the shock itself. So I did purchase a new pair of shocks from them. Their new design, and they did say, you know, if I send the old ones back, they'll give me back my money. But at this stage in the game, I don't care. I just want to get them swapped out, and it is what it is. So the hold up on that has been not only the heat, but if you look under my jack here, you kind of see a puddle of oil there. Let's see if I can zoom in. You see that stain under the jack. So the oil has leaked out of my jack. I guess the seals, I don't understand, because I used it recently, you know, within the last few months to do some work on both bikes. So I don't know. So I picked up some of that, I think it's Barsleek brand. Here it is right here. Yeah, Barsleek jack oil with stop leak in it. So I'm going to refill it, and hopefully it'll do the trick, so I can at least get the shock swapped out, which I will make a video for. It's not that hard of a job. And then also to put the the highway pegs on this. I like to get it up in the air so it's level, and then once it's level, then you can measure from the floor up, because my concrete floor here is nice, to put the highway pegs on, and then we'll go from there. But right now, that's the extent of it. That's the update for now. So just want to get more of the Willie G stuff off, the mirrors, the front axle covers. Trying to think of what else. Like I said, I have a ton of stuff still to do. Primary cover, I'm looking for a stock cover. Timing cover, I want to replace. The only thing Willie G that's going to stay, I think I've said before, is this here they put on the air horn. I think it's a Custom Dynamics air horn. I don't believe they make it anymore. But he did stick that Willie G on there, and it kind of sets it off a little bit, so I don't mind that. I don't mind that so much. So, and then the grips will stay for now. I'm probably going to go to a heated grip. Maybe, I don't know, because I do use the Street Glide more in the winter months. Has a lot more protection to keep, when you're in 20-degree air and you're doing 70, it's like below zero. So, but, so we'll see. All right, with that said, I guess that's the amount of the update. As you can see, I got some lumber here. I've been doing some small repairs around the house. Trying to get stuff like that. Since I got the AC on inside, I can work inside the house. So, with that said, again, I think that's the extent of it. Oh, and real quick, Temu. Fit like a glove. Bottle holder. Fit right on there. I think I paid $2.99 for it. Because I buy t-shirts for my grandson there. They got like funny t-shirts for little kids there. So $2.99, I'll tell you what, it works perfect. Number of times I've been out in the heat, heading over for breakfast and to the dealership. It holds a bottle of water perfect. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please hit like and subscribe. And I know I have a lot of people that are watching my videos, but they're not subscribed. If you could subscribe, I would appreciate it. Because there are a few more things coming on the Sport Glide, a few things on the Street Glide. But I just, again, like I said, I started this to try to, if I can become monetized, I can make a little bit of money for my autistic son. And that money, like I said, can be put in his name. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.